Bloating and puffiness are annoying, and Tydott Debloat Pro promises fast results. But does this supplement actually reduce bloating, or is it overhyped marketing? Let's break it down honestly. So Tydott Debloat Pro is marketed as a daily powder designed to reduce water retention and bloating, especially in the face, with ingredients like potassium, digestive enzymes, probiotics, ginger, and plant extracts. They even offer a 100-day money-back guarantee if you don't see results. Here's where there might be something helpful. Ingredients like potassium and probiotics can support fluid balance and digestion in the body. Potassium helps maintain electrolyte balance, and probiotics may support gut health over time. Many people say they notice less facial puffiness or a flatter appearance after consistent use, at least in anecdotal customer reports. Some users think it helps with temporary bloating or water retention after salty meals. But let's keep it real. Medical and nutrition experts say bloating supplements rarely have strong clinical proofs unless ingredients are in clinically proven doses, which many formulas don't fully deliver. Digestive enzymes and probiotics might help digestion, but they don't reliably fix bloating for everyone. Independent feedback is mixed. Real customer reviews online range widely. Some users claim it helped, others say it didn't reduce bloating or improve water retention at all. Trustpilot shows both rave and scam-like complaints about orders, delivery issues, and refunds. A Reddit conversation about a similar supplement notes that many Debloat products feel like expensive marketing with little added benefit compared to simple home remedies like ginger tea. So does Debloat Pro really reduce bloating? It might help for some mild bloating or puffiness, especially if fluid retention is the issue, but it's not a guaranteed fix for everyone. The science behind the ingredients points to potential benefits, but there's no strong independent clinical evidence proving it works consistently, and customer experiences are very mixed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.